What's up, everybody? The car is back in the garage. Just got it back from the body guy yesterday. It's nice and dirty from its trip home. He lived on a pretty gnarly back road. But here it is. It's still a little incomplete. We're going to get some side skirts for the bottom there to do our bottom bracing. That's why it's still kind of just hanging there. But that'll be buttoned up soon. I'm real happy with with the deck work, and the sides are kind of flat, but and we still got to cut out the wheel wells to what we want. He left them small, so then we could set a ride height and then cut them to what we want. Nice deck work, like I said. Did a real good job integrating this the roof that I had. He added this middle post here just for looks, I guess. And then upper rear fenders, nice trunk lid. It's just riveted in there right now because we didn't have any pins to put back there. Got the used front plastic piece, and then the rear plastic piece is used as well, but no big deal. We could always get a new one later. Yeah, that's coming off because I'm not a hillbilly and this isn't a modified. So but today we're going to do some engine work. I know the last time I talked about this engine, I was saying that we were going to pull it out and then put in my other big motor over there after that one got some work done. But what I think I'm going to do is I'm just going to put a cam in this motor so that it is legal and it works for what I want to do with it, the places I want to go with it, and then I'll have the big motor as well to go to some other races that allow the bigger motor. I got enough room in here to where I can pull that cam out, no big deal. So we're going to take this apart today. Not all the way apart, but I still got to pick out my cam. So we're just going to start taking it apart. I already took the pulleys off just to get going here. But obviously, you know, intake, carb, all that stuff's coming out. Distributor's coming out. Front of the motor's going to come out. I got to get a harmonic balancer puller, and then we'll go from there. But yeah, here's this side of the car. Like I said, we got to cut out a little bit more for the wheel wells. But I want to figure out my ride height before I do that. Nice work on the corner pieces here, and even on the inside. Dress that up a little bit. Quarters are looking really good. The deck is nice. A few different pieces of aluminum. And what I really appreciated was that all the corners, all the sides are pinched, so it's a nice rolled edge. So it's a really clean look, and it's not gonna cut anybody, hopefully. But yeah, there it is, and we're gonna get to work on this motor today. Might be a little bit shorter of a video than you're used to, but we'll see where it goes. ahead and make sure we're at top of the center. Okay, now we're on compression strokes. So close. 100%.
We've been talking about it, Mike, how big of a deal pit road is, but pit crews as well. And, you know,
there's
back to Larson winning the championship.
Top dead center.
Pit crew, we talk about. And stickers are awesome. That's another reason. Kyle came rolling out with tires.
Kevin is all over this racetrack trying. Held strong on that outside, grabbing down, getting him out of the gas history. Clear down, take to the end way Byron. Tapped and got up into it, into the turn two wall. End up the last cars on the lead gate. That's up. Today is on Saturday. So he's loading a little bit there.
Hot handles the driving until you're ready. Then we deliver to your new home. Across town or across the country. Pause.
The GMC AT4 lineup. That's professional praise from GMC.
Naturally, I think last year kind of same thing. Didn't have the best of restart, finished third, but everyone on the beast unleashed, Cameron, TRD, did a really good job. This car was solidly like I would say a third to fifth place car all day long. So bringing home third's great, but obviously when you're on four and you get in position at the end there, you want to capitalize.
All right, so we're just about ready to start pulling the front cover off. I need to get a harmonic balancer puller. So that's gonna have to wait until another day, but and I'm gonna leave this stuff on just until I'm ready to do the whole thing. Like I said before, I haven't ordered my cam yet, so I'm not sure when that's gonna be here, so that's just gonna stay laying there for now. But yeah, we'll be back to put the cam in here next time, hopefully, and then, you know, hopefully after that she runs. And then I got a little bit of a list to do after that. So probably plenty more content coming. Like and subscribe. It really helps me out. Trying to grow this thing here and get some good racing content for you guys. And I don't know if I explained it last time. I don't think I did, but the reason that I have to put a cam in this is because, one, it doesn't have a fuel pump lobe, and two, it's a roller cam, and the tracks around me want you to have flat tappet cam and 2-barrel carb. And then there's some other tracks around me that pretty much don't care. You can have 4-barrel carbs, you can have roller cams. There's no cubic inch limit. It's pretty much open motor, which is why I was going to put my bigger motor over there in the corner, get that ready and put it in and go to those tracks. But I figure I want to be running both tracks, so, or both sets of tracks, I should say. So I might as well fix this while it's in here. We'll get it done. We'll go racing, and we'll fix that one up later for the bigger tracks, and then we'll have 2 different engine setups for 2 different roll packages. So this cam's coming out. We're obviously going to order a flat tappet cam. That way we're all legal, nothing to worry about. And this one will have a fuel pump lobe on it. So, and also, I was gonna, most people would say, I'll just put an electric fuel pump on there. That's not allowed either in the rules, and I don't really want to run one anyways. So, but other than that, we're gonna cut the video off here, guys, and we'll see you next time. And thanks for watching.